Let's go! The Hail Melon worked. H-A-I-L.
Hail?
Hail as in Hail Mary.
Driving game.
I said be dead.
Waves 4 to 7 feet, subsiding to 3 to 6 feet. Waves occasionally around 9 feet.
Look at that.
Winds and waves higher inland and thunderstorms.
Oh, you told me to
The water temperature off Plano is 62 degrees.
No, she
off
loves me too
Cleveland,
much.
64 degrees. And off
No.
Philly, 61 degrees.
That's questionable.
At 10 a.m., weather reports for selected cities in Youngstown.
Oh, Miss P, you lied.
The temperature was 46 degrees.
Don't use my full name.
And the relative humidity 73%.
If you say it, I'm gonna go to the
The
office.
wind was southwest at 40
G-Man.
miles an hour.
Miska
The
Sanders.
pressure was
That's not my middle
29.73
name.
feet.
Miska.
I thought it was Mickey Mouse.
It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 48 in Cincinnati, 47 in Cincinnati. It was cloudy with a temperature of 47 in Zanesville, 48 in Toledo, 46 at Akron Canton Airport, 46 at Dayton, and 47 at Cleveland. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio, temperatures were between 45 and 48 degrees. Rain was falling at Buffalo and Erie, Pennsylvania. It was cloudy at Pittsburgh, Meadville, and Detroit. The current time is 11:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for the Mahoning Valley over station WWG56 from Youngstown on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz.
I know.
On the latest
won't
weather
resist a
map,
bite
an
my foot.
expansive trough will remain across the Great Lakes region through Thursday before shifting east into New England. Surface high pressure will expand into the Ohio Valley late Friday, then shift towards the eastern Great Lakes into early next week.